Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming for the first time, click the subscribe button. Happy New Year, and I wish you many years in return. I have a New Year surprise for you, your New Year gift. Welcome to 2024, and let's get started. Before I proceed further, I have some question for you. What have you achieved so far, and what is your plan ahead for 2024? What financial calling did you neglect last year that is hunting you down now? And are you still going to make, or are you still going to miss the opportunity coming your way because of some cheap excuses? I think you shouldn't do that this year. This is 2024. And can I ask you this? Is part of your 2024 goal to make money effortlessly, enjoy your life, buy your dream car, new smartphone, houses, and also take care of your loved ones? If that is what you want this year, then this calling is for you. If that is a yes, then I hope your prayer is about to answer. Listen and watch till the end. As you've known me and what I do and I also advocate for, it is nothing new, but I always advocate for the easiest, fastest, and the smartest way of making money online. Trust me, check my previous video, which is nothing but tapping from the financial market. Yes, cryptocurrency and forex trading. That is what I'm talking about. Why cryptocurrency trading and forex trading? That is whereas there are more than thousands of businesses out there that you can do in 2024. But believe me, cryptocurrency and forex trading are the easiest and the fastest way of becoming a millionaire in your local currency. This is not just about saying it has happened to several people. And if you believe in this and you follow what I'm about to share with you now, then you'll be the next millionaire in your local currency. So let's get to the main game. Those who followed my advice last year are now a millionaire in their local currency. Why? Because both cryptocurrency and forex trading have the highest market cap of all time, and they keep growing to billions, trillions of dollars in the nearest future. Say this: how big is the forex market? The foreign exchange market is projected to reach a value of 1,332 billions USD billion dollars by 2028, and a total of $5 trillion flows in and out of this market on a daily basis. This is huge. Just imagine yourself making $100 to $500 from this market daily. I'm sure in 30 days you are already a millionaire in your local currency. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency market was also valued at $4.67 trillion in 2022 and is expected to grow bigger by 2030. There are a lot of money you could make on the internet, but cryptocurrency and forex one is on a different level. Believe me, when I first came across this, I thought it's just like other businesses out there. But when I'm into the game, I realize some endless opportunities in this market. Money that you think you can be making, this thing make it possible for you to make in no time. At the comfort of your house or your office, in your bed, in your kitchen, you can be making a lot of money just with your smartphone and internet connection at your own comfort time. That is one of the sweetest of this business. There's no boss to give you instruction on what to do. You make money at your convenient time, and no one will tell you stop making money. You always make money based on what you want, what you need. A lot of money can be made doing this kind of business, regardless of your skin color, of your country, of your language, of your age. No any restriction. You can make as more money as you need. So as you have access to the internet and a smartphone, you can be making money effortlessly. Let me show you some of the things that happen in my community and those who I have helped. Just imagine this. I sent this to a client who wanted to join our community. In less than 24 hours, we've made more than 200% profit. Just imagine you just have $200. Then in less than 24 hours, you will be making nothing less than $400 as your pure profit. That is the sweetest thing about this business. More money, the more money you have, the more money you make. Here is my phone screen recording how much I make in less than an hour trading forex.
Setup where I do up for my people, almost see setup now. See where I joined the trade now. $5,742 almost. We go rake this thing, Joe. Almost see setup now. From 1925 to 1905. Fuck them all.
Eventually, I closed that trade making up to $8,000 as a profit. Just imagine making this kind of money, even not on a daily basis, but on a weekly basis. Yes, let me tell you this, that it is possible. You can be making even more than this on a daily basis. But before you start wondering why I have so much money in my account, which is $100,000, and yet I'm making just small profit, that is because it is a propframe account which comes with some regulations. I can't trade with more than 3 standard lot size. Don't worry, you will learn more about that. But before that, let me quickly tell you what a propframe account is. And because of this is one of the main reasons why I give my attention to Forex, because I'm a crypto guy. If you watch most of my videos online, you'll see it's all about crypto. I've not started talking about Forex. This is the first video which I will be mentioning something related to Forex on my YouTube channel. And it's because of this propframe account. Most people have heard of propframes but are unsure what exactly they are. Basically, a propframe is a company offering prop traders an opportunity to use their skills to trade for them. Propframe, they give you money, huge amount of money, you trade for them and you split the profit. Most propframe how they give their traders up to 90% profit and they only take 10% profit. I will show you some of the examples of some of the propframes that are very good that you can use. Not that I'm certifying any propframe here. The first one is Top Step Traders. We have Fidel Quest. We have Surge Traders. We have FTUK. We have T-Fort Capitals. There are a lot more, which we have many more. I will talk more about propframes in my subsequent videos. So this propframe give people money to trade from $5,000 up to $1 million to trade for them, and you split the capital. You take up to 80 to 90% and they only take 20 to 10%. Do you see how interesting this financial market is? Even if you don't have money, there are people who are ready to give you money to trade. It's a win-win for everyone, and that is one of the reasons I am giving my attention to Forex, trading Forex. Also, it is very interesting and they have a lot of money you can make. With just a small capital, you can take any of their accounts available. Even without taking a propframe account, you can always flip your small dollars account or your small size account to thousands of dollars in few months, which I do all the time. I run multiple accounts. Here is one of the examples that I run with just $50 account and I flip it to around $2,000 account in less than 3 weeks. You see how the money is increasing and decreasing? This is Forex for you. Small account, more profit.
It's running. Stop playing, you see? Stop playing. It's a real account. Stop playing. It's running in profit. You see? Stop playing. It's running. It's a real account. 111. It's running. See? It's a real account. It's a real account.
As you can see, you see how interesting Forex trading is, making money while being at your comfort zone. Yes, this is something you can also do with a dedication and right mentality and and a willing to help someone, which I can offer you that. If you're about to start, I can be your shop log. I can guide you, show you how we do that. Not only that, I will share you some of the results of people who just sign up to be in our community. We just sign up for me to train them, to guide them, and you see what they are making in just a week of joining us. This is someone sharing her testimony of making $305 from $50 deposit in less than 2 weeks of taking my mentorship. This is another person making $31 in just a single trade with small capital. There are more people. This is another person sharing his screenshot. There are many results. This is another person, one who. There are a lot of them. Just to cut this story short and to get straight to the point, I won't be sharing all of this. There are many people with amazing results making crazy amount of money. Most of my guys are gotten their propframe account of minimum of $5,000 account, and they are making nothing less than $1,000, $500 to $1,000 per week, enjoying, flexing, making money at their comfort zone. Not only in Forex, we also bags insane money from crypto trading as well. Not only me, but all those in our private community, which I can't wait for you watching this video. I mean, I'm talking to you watching this video right now to be part of the community. Here are some of the results or testimony from those in our crypto trading community. And here are some of the results: making $10 within minutes, 120% profit in less than 1 hour. And these are some of the screenshots from our community, how progress we are making. You see, this is one did 200%, 200%, and 800% in just a day. And this guy make $36 from $12 in a single day. And this is one. Here is the screenshot I took after flipping $20 to $1,800 in less than 30 days. Yes, I flipped $20 to $1,800 in less than 30 days, and I even made a video about that. I will drop the link to watch the video of how I'm able to flip $20 to $1,800 in less than 30 days, and how you can do the same. I will drop the link under the description of this video. After watching this video, you can watch that as well. And here are also some of my personal trade I took, making more than $200 with one account, and I trade with another account making more than $300. Just imagine making $500 in a single day. That is a huge amount of money if you keep it flowing. This is one of the students who making $100 in just a single day. So there are much to this. Which can guarantee you that if you are ready to start this journey, I'm your surest plug. I take limited students and I will show you step-to-step guide on how you can start and be making a lot of money, just like I'm doing, and how others are doing as well. Why we are showing you all this is not because we are proud or we are bragging about how much money we are making, but is for you to make some decision that could change your life as well. We are showing you all this to know that there is something out there. There's someone out there who is willing to help those who help themselves. We are showing you how this to be part of us so that we can be making money together, celebrating and living a good life, so that we can help others, help ourselves, help our loved ones. We won't be begging for money out there. That is the reason we are showing you this, and we really want you to be part of our community. And here are what you will get access to when you join our community. The first thing you get in our community is access to $30 to $2,000 monthly challenge. The second thing is access to 3 to 5 daily signals, both cryptocurrency and Forex signals, which means you can be flipping $100 to $5,000 to $1,000 within a week. Third is 1 hour strategic call. You will have a direct live call with me where I will show you how to flip $30 to $2,000 or small money to bigger money in less than a month's time. Number 4, you will get easy guidance to pass your propframe challenge account. Like I've said earlier, there are propframes. You get access to the best propframes, and you also get access or live call direct mentorship on how to pass this propframe account, and you'll be making huge money. And there are much more you getting in this community, educational resources, and a lot of things you'll be getting in our community. As you see, this the total value of what of things of access you'll be getting our community is valued at $1,000. Yes, $1,000. That is the standard price of joining our community, because all what you'll be getting is huge benefit. You can be making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month, depends on the money you have. So the standard fee for our community is worth $1,000, even more than that. But we want to make this community accessible to the less privileged people. That is why we will not be charging you $1,000. Instead, we've splashed the price to $100, which I think it is fair, because what you'll be getting in this community is value more than $10,000. And I'm sure you will also notice that as soon as you join this community. So instead of paying $1,000, the standard fee to join this our community is just $100. Moreover, I would like to give a special New Year discount to the first 10 people who will be joining this community. As you remember, the standard price is $100, and I will be giving a 60% discount on that, which means if you are lucky enough to be among the first 10 people to be joining this our community, then instead of $100, you will only be paying $40. That is incredible, insane. $40 for all this opportunity. $40 investment, and you can be making up to $10,000 every month. So if you are lucky to be among the first 10 people, you will only be paying $40, which means if you're interested in joining our cryptocurrency community, you pay $40. And if you're interested in or be part of our Forex trading community, you also pay $40. But this offer is only for the first 10 people who will be joining us. And also, if you're interested in taking both advantage, which means you're interested in our cryptocurrency trading community and also in our Forex trading community, you just have to pay $60 for both. That is insane. $60 instead of paying $200, which means I'm giving you 70% discount if you're interested in joining both. So for you to be part of our community, any of our community, simply contact the number being displayed on the screen. Yes, message the number on WhatsApp, then you'll get further information from the number. Or you can simply click the link on the description of this video. You will see reach us at, click the link to join. You'll see a message written there to join. Click the link below. Click the link and it will redirect you to our WhatsApp, where you will get further information. If you have huge money, we are also into account management. We can help you manage your account based on fair terms and conditions. Just message us and we will help you reach your financial goal. So this is 2024, and this is the best ever video you can see online. Join us on time and let's start making money together. I hope we all have a greatest 2024. Joining us, and this will be the beginning of your success story. So click the link on the description and reach out to us now to be among the luckiest 10 people to get the 60 or the New Year discount. I can't wait to have you here with us. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side. If you're just coming to the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel to help us grow. Thank you. See you inside. Let's make money together.